Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Tuesday morning, February 1st. As the calendar turns over, what a wild month in January. You're looking at Window Trader's market profile of SPY, IWM, and triple Qs. So a couple of quick stats for the month of January. Tell you what, if this is any idea of what we're going to have for the year, it'd be pretty awesome. So we had a range in January of $9.26 a day. That's fantastic. Remember that when we're going to have a dollar range in August at some point. Our range for the month was $59.22. We averaged 124 million shares with a high of 252 million back on January 24th when we hit our low for the year. SPY was down $25.05 for the month, so not a good start to the year, but certainly could have been a lot worse as we closed at where did we close? 450, rounded out 450. We were as low as 421. So we rallied $29 off the lows from last Monday. So not bad comeback and no outside month down. Now overnight high is 451. Overnight low is 470.78. Remember, we all went out with price probes again, and right now it's 75 minutes to go. We're all trading above the base of the price spike, just like we did yesterday, okay, from Friday. So that's the most positive response. Either gap higher is the best response, or you open above the base of it. So far, that's what we're doing. We have now again, I'm in wide increments, but it looks like we have very wide pocks inside of these price spikes. Now, as far as SPY goes, it'll be interesting because we have that set of single prints that start up at the 450.84 level and don't get filled to 453.02. I don't think that's going to be very easy to fill the first time up there. Plus, above that, the 20-day moving average will be coming into play. Yes, we're away from the 200, and right now the 20 is at 455.86. Still a ways to go yet, but just something to keep in mind. So game plan for this morning, same as yesterday morning. If we open within the price spike, depending on how far we are from the base of it, right? I waited yesterday. I didn't take the play right away. I waited for it to pull back where the risk reward was better against the base of the price spike. I will do the same thing today if that's the case. 448.38 was the base of it. Right now we're at 449.78. So if it's less than $1, I'll look to take a call play. Looks like value though would be overlapping to higher at that point. When I get into ones, I'll get a better idea. If in the next 75 minutes we gap higher, depending on the size of the gap, might take a call play, because if the gap gets too big, we'll be in the middle of those single prints, and I will not look to take a long inside of those. In fact, the higher we went, I would take a short the first time inside of those, because I don't think they get filled the first time. Also, in the next 75 minutes, if we open below K's high, I would look to take a put play, because then where there were buys late, there aren't there this morning. Any acceptance above K's range, I would be out. But if they can't get acceptance, we have our 7-wide POC and then our afternoon pullback low prior to the bottom of the upper distribution. And basically the same plays in triple Qs and Russell. And then quickly on the chart, so not a good month, but like I said, it could have been a lot worse, and we came back into December's range. So it is down the monthly, but at least it's not an outside month down. The weekly is clearly now in a 3-week balance, and the daily broke out of a 5-day balance to the upside. We're up in the daily. Good luck trading today. Thanks for the likes. Enjoy your day, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.